silent viewers. Thank you so much sa lahat. Love me with all your heart, that I want love. Love me with all of your heart, for at our love. Just promise with it that you treat me or your